Is your Ninja Espresso showing add WTR even though the tank looks full? No brewing, just a flashing alert? Here's what usually causes it and how to clear it fast. Step 1. Reseat the water tank firmly. Remove the tank and place it back in with a solid push. If it's not fully locked in, the machine won't register the water level. Step 2. Make sure the tank is filled to the max line. Even if it looks full, top it off. The sensor might not detect the water unless it's past a certain threshold. Step 3. Clear air bubbles from the tank valve. Gently tilt or tap the tank to release any trapped air near the rubber valve. Air pockets can block water flow and confuse the sensor. Step 4. Clean the bottom of the tank and its connection port. Wipe away any residue or mineral buildup. Dirty contacts can stop the system from detecting the tank properly. Step 5. Power cycle the machine, unplug for 30 seconds and plug it back in. If the alert clears, you're good to go. Still seeing add WTR after all that? It could be a faulty sensor or valve. Ninja support is linked in the description if you need a replacement. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.